जय भीम जय संविधान। सादर जय भीम जय संविधान सबको। आज हम वर्किंग वर्ड ग्रोथ एक नया यूट्यूब चैनल के माध्यम से आपके समक्ष उपस्थित हुई हूँ। मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप वर्किंग वर्ड ग्रोथ जो बहुजन हिताय बहुजन सुखाय से लिया गया है, अपने समाज के ग्रोथ की विषय में आपको यूट्यूब के माध्यम से जानकारी कराएंगी रेखा भारती एडवोकेट।
Hey friends, my name is Lakshmi Siddharth. I am from the Lucknow and you are watching Working Word Growth. This is a new YouTube channel upcoming that will you provide the growth of our Bahujan community that in the mean of economic. In the mean of economic means what is the growth of going of the Bahujan society for in their individuality that were growing at the basis of economic, at the basis of GDP and the per capita income. That means per capita income means that in all India who they are working in their duty, what they have putting on his pocket in a 6-hour duty, 8-hour duty or maybe over duty, what they were putting in his pocket, and the end of the day, end of the month and end of the year, what is the gross of their salary in the mean of the developing countries and the mean of the developed countries. In the some past few days or few months, we saw the many Indians who go to America. They were handed by the American aircraft of their navy or maybe in their army in the form of like a slave. उनके हाथों में हथकड़ियाँ थीं, पैरों में बेड़ियाँ थीं। और यह क्यों हुआ? क्योंकि हमारे पास because of the India had a low GDP and their per capita income is very low, so many of the people of India are going far away for their livelihood, for their dreams. Not only middle class or upper middle class.
I agree with you because our Indian people is so problem because non business, non economic, non any support our government. I think 85% people non support any business, any support. This life is very difficult. I request our Indian government, we are help our Indian citizens, develop our citizen. One big education persons, non employees. Indian government focus our citizens. Thank you so much.
So we have to continue from this that I was saying that the per capita of income of India is very low. So not only the middle class, upper middle class may be rich, but the reality is the who have the poor, they also going far away of India for their livelihood and their chasing for their dreams. Is it because some people who not get, maybe they not have to get their passes for their passport, or they have no money for their passes या passport, so they go from the other side, that is illegal types they are gone. But the point is this that per capita income is very low, so most of the people are going far away for their livelihood. So this is the main reason that people are.
Excuse me, sir. I want one questions. Sir, I want one questions. What you think our new YouTube channel? This name is Working World Growth.
As you say, working word growth means up and becoming a stand for their people. Working means many people are working,
Yes.
but few कुछ ही लोग जो हैं वो ग्रोथ कर पाते हैं. So the dream of this YouTube channel have to be that to understand the people, the meaning, such a meaning of the growth.
Yes. Meaning of the growth. I realize our Indian people meaning of the growth. What is the meaning of growth? और मैं इस चैनल से सब लोगों को, अपने इंडियन सिटीजन को ग्रोथ के विषय में सिंपल भाषा में जानकारी कराऊंगी. इसी के साथ मैं अपने साथी लक्ष्यप्रिय सिद्धार्थ और कैमरामैन उद्देशिका सिद्धार्थ को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देती हूँ. और इसी के साथ हम मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. जय भीम, जय संविधान, जय वर्किंग वर्ड ग्रोथ.